on our pound USD. By the way, before you go, do not forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. As we can see now on our pound USD, we are actually on a downward trend. If you have to put a moving average and everything, you can clearly see it on the full trend actually fall. So all we should be doing is aiming to actually short our position. Now we can see as we are on a fall, we actually had a pullback here and we're actually on a fall again, hitting our previous lower lows here. This was our previous lower lows. Our price has hit it, so kind of giving us like a double bottom, but our price is about to break below it because we are actually on a bearish move on this our pound USD. We are actually on a fall on our pound USD, by the way. So I think we would continue to see that fall till these are our 2020 lows here. You can see it here. These are 2020 lows, which was about 1.1448. So we will be aiming here for possibly our pound to drop before we might consider going bullish on our pound. So that is it. That's what I'm thinking. So on our daily time frame, we are about to break our previous lower lows, which we'll be getting very, very soon, by the way. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. As we can see now, we can see our previous lower lows here. Our price actually giving us a pullback on our 4-hour time frame. Possibly if it gets a pullback to this one here on our previous lower lows on this our 4-hour time frame, pullback here, then we should be getting a fall on our pound to our USD. That is on our 4-hour time frame. And now our 1-hour time frame, we can see it here. This was that mark that I on our daily time frame. This was our previous lower lows on our daily time frame here. So our price is actually reacting to this our place. So we are waiting for a breakout to continue going bearish on our pound USD. So be waiting for we are actually getting a pullback. So we possibly want to be getting a pullback around here, then a fall. And if not, then we might continue a fall on our pound USD. And now let's see our USD index itself. We are on the 4-hour time frame. We are actually having a pullback, by the way. So as we are having this pullback to test this area, we should be seeing a little bit of a bullish move. We are aiming for a little bit of a bullish move, our push up, a little bit of a push up. Then when we now start getting that drop, our USD itself will start going bullish, by the way. So watch out for it on our 4-hour time frame and our 1-hour time frame. By the way, we are even starting to go bullish on our USD index for our 1-hour time frame. So that is the analysis. We are still on a bearish move on our pound USD for the day. Thank you.